When you have your boilerplate deployed, you can get access to the code, the sample application that's been deployed in that boilerplate. To do that, you simply click the Start Coding screen if you're not already there. After deploying, you'll be automatically sent to this screen. So once you're on that screen, you can see you'll have a button to download an archive containing all of the source code. We're now going to look at deploying an application on the command line. So the command line can be very useful, but it also allows you to integrate Bluemix into other tools or into a development pipeline. So with the command line, we're going to use the Cloud Foundry command line interface. Bluemix is built on top of Cloud Foundry, and we do honor the Cloud Foundry public API. So you should have installed, as part of the prerequisites, the Cloud Foundry CF tool. And it's very easy to use. If you ever need help in terms of what a command is, just typing CF help at a command line will provide you a help screen. If you want more detailed help on any specific command, CF help followed by the command will give you a more detailed description of that command with any options that you can type in. So on the slide that's showing, I've given you some common shortcuts. Most of the commands you can type a long form or a short form. So for example, CF login, I can type CF login, or I can just type CF, then the letter L. So I've given you some of the most common shortcuts on this slide to help you get started. So when you use the command line, the first thing you've got to do is you've got to sign into Bluemix. So the login command is the first thing you'll do. And then this is where the regions come into play, because you log into a specific region. I've actually included here on the slide how to log into the US South and the European GB region. And you can put the options, so the email, the password, the organization, and the space. Or if you just type CF login -a, the URL, it will then prompt you for your username, your password. It'll give you a list of all the organizations you signed up to, and then all the spaces within the organization. If you ever want to know what region and space you're logged onto, CFT or target will actually give you that. And then similarly, you can check what spaces are available in the current organization by typing CF spaces, and to move to a different space, CF space, and then the space name will allow you to change space. As I say, everything you do in Bluemix has to be done within a space which lives within a region. So please make sure you're working in the right area.